Hello guys, my name is Saim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is very interested. This video is related to basic electronic components. Voltage potential reference to the possibility of doing work. The symbol of participation difference is E electronic for E exercise force. For the partial unit of partitional difference in the volt V. I volt is a measure of the amount of work required to move IC of charge. Current. When a chain is forced to move because of a potential difference, voltage current is produced. The conductor's free electron can be forced to move with relation each, since the require lateral work to be moved. So current is charge in motion. The more electronic in motion, the greater the currents. Amperance current indicates in the industry is the electronic in motion. The symbol of current in for the industrial and is measured of ampere. The definition of current is IQ is equal to QT, where is a current is ampere, Q is charge in Campbell's R into time is second. Closed current, closed circuit. The application required to the use of current. Electrical components are arranged in the form of circuit. A circuit is defined as a path for current value. Open circuit. Current can only exit when there is convoluted path. In the circuit, I is equal to 0 since there is no conductor between points A and B. We referred to this as an open circuit. Direction of electronic flow. The direction of electronic flow is in our circuit is from the negative side of the battery through the load resistance back to the positive side of the battery. Direction of confidential current. The direction of confidential current is our circuits is the from the positive side of the battery through the load resistance back to the negative of the battery. Direct current that are powered by battery sources are termed direct current circuit in the flow of charge in just one direction. Alternated current is alternated current voltage sources traditional alternators of reverse of polarity. The resolution current therefore providedly refers in the direction. Resistance option to the flow of the current is the termed resistance. The fact that a wire can become hot from the flow of the current is the evidence of resistance. Conductors have a very little resistances. Insulators have a large amounts of resistances. A resistance impeded the flow of the electronic through a circuit. Resistors have a set value. Since voltage, current, and resistances are the related through OHMS law, resistors are the good way to control voltage and current in the your circuit. Resistors more and resources color code. I had one number, two band, two number of 0 multiplier 4 band televisions. Code color black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, value, gray, white, gold, silver, non. One bond 0 1 0 2 0 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 unit. Now your unit is important. Kilo and mega are a common is a registration. Milli, micro, nano and pico can be used in other components. K kilo 100 m, mega 1000 m, milli 101,000 u, micro 101,000 and nano 100 on the trillion and pico 1 crore and 1 decimal in the coordinate. OHMS law. The amount of current is the circuit in the depended on its resistance and the applied voltage specified 1 VR. If you know any two of the factor I had VI and R, you can calculate the third. Current IVR, voltage VIR is equal to resistance R is equal to VI.